Every project, no matter how well planned, carries risks. These risks can come from uncertain schedules, cost overruns, resource delays, or unexpected market conditions. If not identified and managed in time, they can derail even the most strategic projects. That is why risk management has become one of the most critical skills for project managers today. Primavera Risk Analysis is a leading tool designed to bring structure, accuracy, and foresight into project risk management. From building a comprehensive risk register to creating effective response strategies, this tool helps organizations prepare for uncertainties and make informed decisions. Primavera Risk Analysis is more than just software. It is a powerful solution that allows project managers to model, analyze, and control uncertainty in their projects. It works with project scheduling tools and helps assess the impact of risks on project objectives. Some of its core functions include creating a risk register, performing quantitative risk analysis using simulations, planning how to reduce threats, and assessing the probability of completing a project on time and within budget. In short, it provides a scientific, data-driven approach to managing risks. The first step is building a risk register. This is the starting point for every risk management plan. It is like a central database where all possible risks are documented, categorized, and assessed. With Primavera Risk Analysis, building a risk register becomes systematic. Project teams can list internal risks, like resource shortages or design errors. They can identify external risks, such as market changes or natural events. For each risk, teams can assign a probability score, which is the likelihood of it happening, and define an impact score, which shows the effect on cost, schedule, or quality. By structuring this information, the risk register makes sure no critical risk is overlooked. Once risks are identified, the next step is to analyze how they may affect the project. Primavera Risk Analysis uses quantitative techniques like Monte Carlo simulations. Here is how it works. The software runs thousands of what-if scenarios. It calculates the probability of completing the project within deadlines and budgets. It shows which risks have the highest impact on project success. This data-driven insight helps project managers focus their attention on the most critical risks instead of treating all risks the same. Identifying and analyzing risks is not enough. Projects need actionable response plans. Primavera Risk Analysis makes this possible by helping managers design strategies. These strategies include avoidance, which means changing the project plan to remove the risk. Another is mitigation, which means reducing the probability or impact, for example by adding buffer time or using backup suppliers. There is also transfer, which means outsourcing the risk, perhaps through insurance or subcontracting. Finally, there is acceptance, which involves monitoring low-impact risks without taking major action. By linking the risk register with these response actions, Primavera ensures organizations are ready for uncertainties before they happen. Risk management does not end once the project starts. Continuous monitoring is essential to track whether risks are being controlled effectively. Primavera Risk Analysis offers dynamic dashboards for real-time visibility. It provides confidence curves to predict schedule completion. It also creates reports for stakeholders to communicate risk status clearly. This ensures decision-makers always have updated insights and can take early action when needed. While Primavera Risk Analysis is a powerful tool, its real value lies in the skills of the people using it. Without proper training, users may struggle to set up risk registers, understand simulation results, or design effective responses. That is why professional training is highly recommended for project managers, planners, schedulers, risk analysts, and decision makers. Such training provides hands-on practice with real project scenarios. It offers step-by-step guidance on building registers, running simulations, and reporting. It gives users the confidence to apply the tool effectively in live projects. With the right training, professionals not only learn the technical aspects but also develop the strategic mindset needed to manage risks proactively. Mastering Primavera Risk Analysis brings many benefits. It can lead to reduced project delays by predicting risks in advance. It improves budget control by quantifying financial risks. It builds better stakeholder confidence through data-backed insights. It supports career growth for professionals, as skilled risk managers are in high demand. And it creates stronger business competitiveness, as organizations that manage risks effectively stay ahead. This tool has real-world applications in many fields, including construction, oil and gas, information technology, and infrastructure projects. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool across industries. In conclusion, managing risks is no longer optional. It is a necessity for project success. From building a risk register to designing response strategies, Primavera Risk Analysis equips professionals with the tools they need to ensure projects stay on track, on budget, and aligned with organizational goals. To fully use its potential, professionals should gain hands-on expertise through structured training. With practical learning and guided mentorship, such training empowers individuals and organizations to turn risks into opportunities. In a world of uncertainty, the best strategy is preparation, and Primavera Risk Analysis is a key part of that preparation.